Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a great video because it is one of my favorite videos I record. As you can see, the box was kind of dirty because they put it in front of my garage. So as you can see, it is our STITCHFIX unboxing, you guys. I'm so excited. If you are not aware of STITCHFIX, I'll just run it down. STITCHFIX is like a styling service. You pay $20 for it. You fill out a profile. It asks you like measurements, height, weight, what type of styles you want, what type of styles you want to avoid, prints, so on and so forth. You try before you buy. So the $20 styling fee goes towards your overall total when you decide to check out. But anyway, also you can get more credit if you do a friend referral. So I will leave my link down below. You can get, I believe, 25 towards your first fix, and I do get 25 credit as well. Without further ado, you guys, that is unbox our STITCHFIX box. I'm so excited. All right, so what I did, you can leave comments to your stylist on like what you would possibly like to get in your next fix. So I believe I asked for more like accessories, shoes and stuff like that. So I'm a little concerned about the size of this box. It's not a big box. I've gotten bigger boxes, so I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna have a positive mind. Also, with these types of videos, when it comes to like unboxing and try-ons and stuff, and if I have to return the items back, I tend to not wear makeup for the simple purpose is that when I take these items off, I will probably get makeup on them. So I don't wear makeup because I don't want to get makeup on the products. So I usually free-for-all it. I be nude, I be putting lip gloss on. So why am I struggling to open this box? Okay. I'm super nervous, you guys. All right, so what to expect when you get your STITCHFIX box. Why did I make that face? Chances are I opened this upside down, but let me dig for what I need. Okay. Without looking. I'm so nervous. All right. So I want to go over these items quick. To return your items, you do get a prepaid package slip with a pre-stamped label, so it's free to ship your items back. You don't have to pay for anything. You just drop it off at your local post office. Boom. Then you have this cute little envelope that comes with all the information. So this green slip here, so it just says, "Hi Tiara," and it gives you a breakdown of all the items, sizing, colors, cost, and it gives a breakdown of like totals, so on and so forth. So a little bit in regards to their pricing. You get discounts. You get a 25% discount if you buy all of the items. You also get, your credits towards, like if you have a friend that uses your referral code, you'll get credit towards your purchase. Also, your $20 styling fee is added on to that as well. So I'll go over all of this at the end when we go over pricing. And the next thing is the oh hello little styling cards. So I'm gonna open this up. I don't want to look, but they're there. So if you guys could not tell, there we go. So these are styling cards. They basically help you with how to style the items that you receive in your box. And it shows you some little like things, like a little peek. Up here in this corner is basically a little note that your stylist left you. So I'm folding everything so I don't see any of the products. And I'll read it. It says, "Happy Fix Day, Tiara. I'm so excited to style your fix." Ooh, it's a new stylist. I used to have Amy. She said, "I wanted to send you some cute trendy pieces for summer. You mentioned you wanted to try some shoes in this fix. So I included the DV8 sandals. Let me know what you think of the Kaileigh knit jumpsuit." Ooh, I like jumpsuits. "I got some inspo from your pins. This will be a summer staple to wear with wedges or sandals for any occasion. Accessorized look with Kate Spade flower studs to add a little sparkle to your look. I also added the STS blue denim shorts to wear with a Lush front knit top and sneakers for a more casual look. Would you like to try any maxi dresses or sandals for your next fix? Question mark. Excuse my voice. Appreciate your feedback on fit and style. Enjoy your new pieces. Cheers, Becca." Thank you, Becca. All right, you guys. This is where the fun begins. So let's do accessories first. So I'm super excited because this is the first time I'm ever getting shoes in my Stitch Fix. I think this is probably like my third or fourth, and I'm excited. Okay. Sorry, I was a little confused. Oh, these are cute. Oh my God, you guys, look. It has like this like kind of leopard print. These are actually really cute. I'll probably post the price somewhere on the screen, of course. I wear a size 8.5. Do you tell? Yeah, it might be on the slip. These are really cute. They're like a I like to say cognac color. That's just me. With the leopard print, 2 straps, cute sandals. Okay, so there's that. It always comes in these cute little like bags. I love. All right, we got 2 little boxes here. These boxes usually means like some type of jewelry and accessories. So I'm just gonna take that slip off. Oh wow, these are super cute. These are the Kate Spades. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my god. Come on, camera, focus. These are super pretty. Super pretty. 4-leaf clovers. Expensive. All right, so I'm gonna toss that there. And then here is the next one. Oh, cute. They're like little bangles, like bracelet things. I didn't think it was gonna fit on my wrist. How cute, you guys. Look at that. I didn't think they would fit. These are really cute. I normally don't wear bracelets, and I can't even tell you the last time I wore bangles in any type of way. I remember in like high school, we used to wear like as many bangles as you can possibly wear on like one wrist. So yeah, these are super cute. I like how like there's a gold one and a silver one, because I'm all about like wearing different metals. Like I don't normally care what metals that I wear or finishes. I mix, so it's super cool to have like a silver one and a gold one. You can wear both of them together. You can wear one without the other, so on and so forth. So super cute. Throw these back here. All right, you guys, let's get on to the clothing, because what is a Stitch Fix without clothing? Honey, even though I asked just for accessories, I prayed they would give me clothes. Oh, what is this? Is this? Oh, this is the jumpsuit thing. Cute. Okay, so we have some like thick straps. It's a navy blue. As like this like stretchy material. I never know like what this material is really called. It has pockets. Baby got pockets. I love pockets. It's heavy, a heavy material, stretchy. It's cute. It has this weird pattern on it. It reminds me of like, what is that brand? What is that brand that came back? I forget. But it reminds me of that. This is the pattern. So it looks like that. It's cute. It's a little, I think, like in the pant leg. It's not that see-through, but it was kind of see-through. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this on. These would be super cute with like some white sandals maybe, and throw on a denim jacket for like cooler days. All right, next we have this shirt. Oh, this is actually really cute. Really cute. All right, so I'm super into like mustards and all of that, so this is so me. I think the stripes are black, or if I'm wrong, they're navy. Oh my god, wait. Why did I forget this? I normally don't. Jesus, I just got super excited. This is the Kaileigh jumpsuit. This is the Kaileigh Isla Smocking detailed knit jumpsuit in size large. Everything on me is large, navy. And this one is the Lush size large. It is the Lush Tamara cropped knot front knit top in the color mustard large. Super cute, you guys. Super cute. Can't wait to try these on. Without further ado, you guys, we're gonna try these products on. It's just only got 2 pieces of clothing and some shoes and stuff like that. I'll try these on and see what these babies can do as far as for my style. So yeah, let's try them on. All right, first rocking with the mustard shirt, and it's cropped. Honestly, I'm super for this top. I don't mind that it's cropped at all. I love it. I dig it. It's super cute. It stitches in at the waist, so it gives me a nice figure. And these pants, these jeans, I got from a thread up box, my first thread up box, and I just rolled them up a little bit. So yeah, don't mind like the baby rocker here, but I really like this. I do have my belly button pierced. I do like this a lot. I love this shirt. I like the fabric, the way it feels. Like, it's super me. Super me. And I like how it comes down a little bit in the back, so it's not like up here. But I love like this bunching because it gives that shape. It gives like this cute, like tight fitted, but gives you like that I'm hiding but not hiding, if that makes sense. So yeah, I do have the shoes. Here are the shoes. They're cute. I like them. They don't really wow me or anything. I don't know, they don't really like, I'm not in love with them. I'm not in love with them to the point like I want to keep them. Okay, so here is the jumper, and I did pair it with, now full disclosure, I do have a jewelry cleaner, so I'm going to clean these earrings right after I try them on. But here are the Kate Spade's earrings. So yeah, they're super cute. I paired it with the two bangles. Don't mind my bra. So the jumpsuit is cute. It's super long. I am short. I'm 5'3", so I'm trying to get in here, but I put on these like cute shoes with a heel, and even with that, it covers my feet. Not saying that I don't like that look. I don't mind it. I actually really like this. I do like it. However, I'm not a heel person all the time, so I don't think, I don't know. I know like something like this I would wear a lot because it's super comfortable, but it's super long. I'll probably try it with like these different shoes, but chances are I won't keep this, only because it's super long and I'm more of a flat type of person, even though I want to get into wearing heels more. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. We'll see. So try on is over, and here is the breakdown of everything. So those Kate Spade earrings that I have sitting here, the full clover looking ones, these cost $47.95. The sandals are $59. The jumpsuit, the blue one, the navy one with the cute little pattern, is $58. And the bangle set, sorry, I have them in here. Cute little bangle set is $28, which isn't bad. And the crop top, which is a mustard shirt, is $34. So the total of all of these cute products, items, is $226.95. If you buy all of them, you get a total discount of $56.74. So that leaves your total with $170.21. Now, of course, if I buy all of these products and apply my $20 styling fee, plus I have a credit of $5, it brings my overall total down to $145.21. Now, I can reassure you that I'm not buying all of these products, unfortunately. I'll list all of the products or items that I decided to keep down in the description bar down below. Anyway, so I'll put all that information down there, and I usually tell you guys what I decide to keep and what I decide to return. Until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys, bye.